And para sa pag-answer round, I will give you 5 seconds to answer. If the countdown stop, dapat itaas na ang cardboard. Okay? Ang hindi kataas sa cardboard, walay score. They counted ang score. Okay. Ready na para sa zero? So here's the question. Which of the following is a type of business ownership? A. Franchising. B. Cloud storage. C. Marketing strategy. D. Supply chain. Which of the following is a type of business ownership? A. Franchise. B. Cloud storage. C. Marketing strategy. D. Supply chain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Carter up. The answer is
Franchising.
A.
Franchising lagi.
You got the correct answer. Next question.
Wala. Yeah.
Ready na? Basta mga nagtutuklong na rin kami. Walang lang sa tutuklong. Okay, next question. What is the primary functions of marketing and business? What is the primary functions of marketing and business? A. To produce goods. B. To increase brand awareness and customer demand. C. To manage the company's finances. D. To create advertisement.
A.
4, 3,
A.
2, 1. The answer